Hi Earthlings! So what am I introducing today? You guessed it! Well, if you know me, I'm actually a holistic practitioner, so I try to avoid using detergent. So I've been using baking soda, vinegar, and substance like citric acid, hydrogen peroxide to clean my clothing. But today I am going to give this a try. It's a plant-based laundry detergent pots, which is, let me see, 0% sulfates, chlorine, parabens, phosphate, phthalates, optical brighteners. Great, 0%. And there's 25 pots in this pack. It's 4-in-1. I am plant-based. I am effective and eco-friendly. So turn it around. Okay, it says that it is actually for front load, and I don't have a front load with me. I am using the very traditional top load, and I love it because actually when I decided that I wanted to put something else inside, I can still open the cover last minute to put things in. I've used a baking soda, so let me see what else. This is my laundry area. I've got a very small place. I'm living in a 2-room HDB, and these are basically my small little laundry area. Okay, let's get going. So let's read the instructions how to do this, and I'll come back to you. Okay, so I've opened it, and I've read the instructions. It says to put the pot into the dry drum directly, and then load the clothes, and then voila, just wash it. Okay, so we're gonna look how it looks like inside. It looks like this. There's 25 pots inside. Just let me take out one. Ooh, it's jelly and it's slimy. Let's see how powerful is this thing. And it smells good. So let me see. Save the bears. And what else? Keep away from children. Keep away from your eyes. Use with dry hands. Okay, I mean, that obviously means not for hand wash clothing. Do not ingest, of course. And suitable for top load and front load. Look, I found it. And then suitable for indoor drying. Great, awesome. So, but I'm not sure if I am recyclable. That's more important. And then I'm not too sure if it's cost effective and how much does this thing cost. Maybe you would like to come to TikTok and check it out and let me know how much it costs you. Okay, so I'm supposed to drop this. I have a 10 kg and it says 2 capsules to call it, and then into up to 8 kg. Well, I have a machine that is 10 kg, and I have a load of clothes for 3 person just for 2 days. This is how hot our weather is. And I'm supposed to put this into the dry drum. My clothing's in. Do the washing. See you later. And for all the ingredients in the pack, it's already worth buying. Click the link below and then get yours.